Hello, EDCI 706ers. It's Dr. Palermo, and it's week 6 of our fall 2017 class. Um, this week, you just have a little bit more to read for me. I know that you are trying to juggle 3 different projects at once. PLCP, FCEP, PEC, but if you're juggling them all at once, that's a good thing because it is week 6 of our 15 weeks, and you need to, even though some of the stuff is not due till the end of October, you'd be wise to be wrapping up the PLCP soon, working and starting on that FCEP. And I hope that you are analyzing data and writing the PE while you're, should be all ongoing at once. So this week, just one more chapter in Hall and Horde. I hope that this is going to be a fun one for you because you're going to have a chance to rate the boss. And I know that lots of teachers or others enjoy doing that when it's been done to them so many times. So you get to evaluate the boss on their change facilitator style. And that's what Chapter 6 in Hall and Horde is all about. How do leaders make a difference in implementation success? It sounds like several of you have had several different experiences with principals. And principals, I think, are the main school-based leader of change and facilitator for implementing new reforms and changes in schools. But you can think broader than that when it comes to the assignment. Maybe you are a change facilitator in your school or in your district. You want to rate your own style or that of another. Either way, I think that's the big idea here with this assignment, which is down below then, taking the information from Chapter 6. And I'm not going to read a lot of this stuff to you, but 3 change facilitator styles: initiator, manager, and responder. I know that you're going to recognize people that you know when you dig into this stuff. So different styles are more effective in implementing change and also responding to the change at your school. So read through that, please. Table 6.3 on the dimensions of change. Facilitator styles with examples is good. You're given an assignment to respond to, I think it's table 6.5, characteristic change facilitator profiles, and comparing your person that you think about to those profiles. Or alternatively, if you've had different principals with different change facilitator styles that you can compare and contrast, that's great. Please do use aliases. Remember that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but Smith and Jones would be appropriate here when you're describing change facilitators in your school. What about this PEC? This was one of the dialogue posts that I closed, but I think it would be wise for some of you to do, for all of you to do this self-assessment, and then for some of you to contact me as necessary. So we talked a little bit in class about PECs, and I pointed out some of the connections, the one-legged interviews, the open-ended surveys in Hall and Horde, the CBAM stuff that you could use in your program evaluation. Ask yourself these questions. Can you describe the process that you're using to analyze the data and how you're collecting and analyzing that data for your program evaluation? And do you still have questions about the presentation? So to whom and how are you presenting this? Again, this was kind of a repeat of a previous dialogue, so it's optional here. I closed it, but if you're still shaky about your PEC, write to me, please. Answer the questions to the best of your knowledge in your email to me, and then pose your questions also. What are you still unclear about? And we'll work it out individually. But you should be working toward that PEC. It's not due till the end of the semester, but please be thinking and working on it now. That's all for me for week 6. Read on, write to me if you have any questions. Thanks.